Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging and OEM unlock so commands can run. Once done, install the latest ADB tools on your computer and connect the MI phone via a reliable USB cable. Make sure the phone is authorized for debugging. Next, verify the device appears in a DB devices. This step allows you to collect logs and push fixes, so don't skip authorization, prompts, and you now capture and inspect logs to pinpoint the issue. Run a DB logcat vtime and redirect output to a file, then reproduce the bug so related entries appear. Once you have the log, open it and search for timestamps and exception stacks tied to the app or Google service. This is where the cause lies. Use targeted filters or grep to extract errors and look for permissions or component names. Understanding the stack trace tells you whether it's permissions, corrupted cache, or a vendor customization problem. You apply fixes based on the log. First, try clearing the app cache and data or uninstalling recent updates. If the Google app is broken, consider rolling back to a stable APK. Once you've applied a change, reboot and reproduce the bug to verify the fix. If the issue persists, submit a focused bug report including bug log. TXT, exact reproduction steps, timestamps, device model, and MIUI build. If nothing works, one troubleshooting tip. Test on a secondary account or factory reset as a last resort to isolate software versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.